How to disable HDR video playback in Instagram on iPhone. Have you noticed that videos on Instagram look super vibrant, but sometimes the HDR video playback isn't what you want, especially if your iPhone screen doesn't support it well or it's causing issues with how videos look? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable HDR video playback in Instagram on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a direct toggle to turn off HDR video playback. However, there's a workaround by disabling this HDR support at the system level on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and simply tap on Display and Brightness. Under this menu, tap View Display at the top of the screen. And you can simply find two options, that is standard and standard HDR. Select standard to disable HDR for all apps including Instagram. Now if you don't find it, what you can do is open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Simply click on three horizontal lines and find account, or you can simply select a data uses by searching at the top. And when you find it, simply click on enable the use less data option. This will reduce the video quality and in turn may prevent HDR playback from being triggered when watching videos on Instagram. While there's no direct way, these are some of the way you can adjust to disable HDR on your iPhone.